Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your XIAOMI Redmi Note 8T, for the first you have to go for the settings, tap on the lock screen. After that we have to scroll down and enter the passwords and the security, and here we can select the password. So we can select the pattern, PIN or the password, going for the simple pattern. Read the description, and after a few seconds you are able to tap on the got it button, draw your pattern, draw it one more time, click confirm. We don't want to add the fingerprint, and right now just go back and we can try to unlock the device with our new lock method. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.